going, everyone? Scale Model Car Guy channel here, and this was my Christmas present, the Land Rover from Revell, the brand new tooling. I just completed it, so I guess you could say it's my very first build of the new year, and I just thought I would show you real quick. I painted it British Racing green, with the tan interior. I don't know if you can see that real good or not, which I'm going to have pictures at the end of this, of the build. There's the engine. I got it wired and everything. The wheels move. Roof rack. The only bad thing about this is part of the roof rack was broke right there, and I just didn't make it. I ain't worried about it. I got another one to build, so, but I couldn't find it anywhere in the plastic. I guess it was just a factory defect. I don't know. I haven't even opened that other one up yet to see if it's the same way or not, but there she is in all her glory. See the bottom of that real good, which I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna have pictures of it. I really need to invest in a turntable, don't I? But yeah, I highly recommend this kit. It's an awesome kit. Of course, I love British cars and stuff, so very nice kit. I also have the, which y'all probably seen in my other videos, but I also have the monogram version built right there, and that was the short wheelbase, and the little race team right there was that kit right there. But I plan on doing a race team out of this one too, and then this is the kit I'm fixing to start, which I'm gonna have to scrounge me up a trailer or scratch build me a trailer like I did that one up there. But I'm gonna build the competition car. It's going to have the little sport windshields on it, the racing windshields, yellow nose cone, no hubcaps, no back wheel. It'll be the racing version, row bar. All right, if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, and subscribe, and stick around for the pictures of the build.